Blake here from AutoSpec 4x4, head of marketing, doing a install video on my 79 series Land Cruiser that I've gone out and bought. On the many list of modifications that I will be adding to this car, I have opted to go with a Rhino rack platform system, and I'll be pairing it with the backbone mount that they make as well. I did toss up if I wanted to 2-pack the whole roof rack, do something a little bit different. There's only one other guy out there that I know that's done it. Does look pretty good, but I've changed my plan on what the overall look of the car I wanted to go with. So yeah, so today, Rhino rack platform system and the backbone will be on top of the 79 series. Mic is in my pocket.
Yeah, I just realized.
Weak. Light as a feather, man. Actually, how am I putting these down? Don't show this, I'm professional. Need to find out the correct measurements for the crossbar. When obviously you put the backbone system on, that it actually sits where it's supposed to sit and it's not too far back. It would be nice if you could just go bang, bang. Should probably double check the measurements of the Land Cruiser roof. Okay, what does the instruction say? Product section, product details, view backbone instructions. It's literally the same instructions to this. It has nothing to do with, it doesn't tell me anywhere on what part I should have. Refer to your vehicle specific Pioneer fit chart for your underbar position. The number of underbars varies between platforms. That doesn't tell me what width I should have it. Sure, okay, it actually can't be that hard then. I've been given 6 bolts. That was the badge I just ripped off. I'm gonna assume the logo goes at the front. I fucking knew it.
What, it works perfectly?
No, it doesn't. Yes. Obviously, me and Connor discussing about Brisbane 4-wheel drive show that a number of us are actually driving across because we need to drive show cars over. And I was asking Connor if he wanted to come, but he can't because 1, it's his birthday, and 2, it's his bro's birthday as well, which is a complete fair response. And then Connor followed up, yeah, I don't know how I'd feel about doing that drive on my birthday week. Bro, as if you wouldn't. Like, you're turning down some people's dream, which is crazy to think about. Like, people prepare like their whole lives to drive across the Nullarbor. It's not an insanely hard drive, nor is it, in my opinion, fun, because it's a lot of straight drive, especially if you're stopping along the way, like all the stops, the Bight, Streaky Bay, things like that. Like, there's heaps of cool spots to stop along the way, but if you're bombing it across like in 4 days, like I'm going to be doing again for the 3rd or 4th time, it's not fun. It's not fun. It's a chore. 56. Talk to spec. Now your rubbers go on the inside of the tracks here, and what that is, it's so when you put it on the sill, it's nice and soft. Otherwise you're gonna have either mild steel or stainless. I think it's stainless. You just slide that on. And that'll also help when you lift it on, you don't scratch the hell out of your possible paint on your brand new 79 series with little to no kilometers on it. Talking of crossing the Nullarbor, that's already crossed once. And it's gotta go all the way back again, because I bought it in Melbourne. What I'm doing is I'm just getting it started, so let's go get some tall fellas to help lift this up on the roof. Oh yeah, well, I didn't think that far ahead. So that's gonna, so it's, the rack itself is still, yeah, so that's loose. Now, this will be hard. All right, you guys go down first. You know where you're putting it? Cool. It needs a light bar bad. All right, so the Rhino rack platform is officially on the 79. Probably took us an hour and a half. It's quite straightforward. Platform comes fully assembled. Then you got your 2 backbone mounts, gutter mount, a total of like 14 bolts to do off, and it's pretty much on the roof. The only thing that's really tedious is probably just lining it up to make sure you have your center points, or it's centered to the mount, and easy, and make sure you put it on the right way. That's the front, that's the back. Piece of cake. On to the next thing. Next thing is sound deadening, in which we have to pull out the entire interior, full seats, roof lining, door cards, and what still has to come back out that I put in over Christmas is Hurricane Fab seats, and that'll be in the next video. All the best.